What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be going over Stratis. Ooh, excuse me. Stratis is my price prediction. But really quick, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Well. See you very soon. It looks like Bitcoin at 10,083, and it looks like it's not stopping. Jesus, I don't even know what to say. Crazy that one Bitcoin is worth $10,000. But the crazier thing is, it looks like it doesn't want to slow down, guys. So, where do I see it going? Hard to tell now. I thought 10,000 was a pretty good resistance, but I'm thinking 12. I'm thinking we have to start reversing at 12, possibly 13. And we need to start coming down. I feel like it's just been, a really good run. And it's due for a correction. So I wouldn't be surprised if we started to correct here at the 12 or the 13 area. But really quick, guys, let's take a look at the market. Give this a nice refresh. Bitcoin at Jesus on some exchanges it's at 10,242, up 5% for the day. Ethereum down almost 0.25%. Bitcoin Cash down 4%. Ripple up 12%. Litecoin up 10%. Wow, Litecoin at 100. Look at that. What a milestone. Bitcoin Cash down 10%. Dash up almost 0.5%. IOTA up 26%. Look at the big one right here, guys. Woo, number 9. This was kicking it down here next to BitConnect and Tether at 21 and 23 and 22 spot about like a week and a half ago, and now it's sitting up at number 9 with IOTA up 160% to 12 cents, guys. This was at 3 cents when we made a video about this. That's ridiculous. Damn. Shout out to you guys who caught that. But Cardano up 160%, Lumen's up 36%, QTEM up almost 4%, BitConnect down 4%, Stratis up 19%. That's today's video. Let's go ahead and click on that, guys. So, from my understanding, and I'm still doing research on this, let's go. So actually, let's go before I say that. So their market cap is 612 million, circulating supply 98 million. I don't know if that's the max supply or not. It doesn't say, and as of now, I can't find it. Where can you get Stratis? Looks like you can get Stratis on pretty much every major exchange. Let's go ahead and so currently our number 22 coin sitting at $6.21, up almost 19% for the day. On US dollars and up 50% in Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website. So from my understanding, what I understand basically what Stratis is, it says here, Stratis, we make blockchain easy for you. So it's basically bringing the blockchain technology to, the beginners, to the businesses and people who don't know anything about blockchain technology. And the cool thing about Stratis here, as you can see, is we offer simple and affordable end-to-end solutions for development, testing, and deployment of native C# blockchain applications on the .NET framework. So their language is C#. As some of you may know, I believe it's Ethereum. Ethereum is JavaScript, C#, C++, and some other language I can't remember the name of. But so Stratis is basically bringing blockchain technology to businesses with the C# language, from my understanding. Let's go ahead and take a look at their blog. See if we can find. So they're a proof of stake coin. Stratis masternodes solve the problem of providing useful services to blockchain network while keeping the list of services decentralized and tamper-proof, and the initial masternode implementation is with the service being provided in the Breeze privacy protocol, but it is anticipated that many more services can be added in the future in order for this code to go through. Token. Proof of stake cryptocurrency with limited emission and low inflation. STRAT is a trading on a reputable cryptocurrency exchanges and valued by investors worldwide. Here, there's some of their exchanges. Why is it valuable? Let's go ahead and click that. Stratis EO talks value, Stratis Weekly. Where do you see value in Stratis? That's a good question. There are several answers depending on your perspective. Probably the most obvious answer is that it has technical value. By developing Stratis in C#.net, we are opening a door onto one of the largest development communities for business line apps. Stratis will bring blockchain development onto the open, making out into the open, making it accessible to the wider developer community, where hopefully it will become a household name. You won't need to have an experience making blockchains to be able to get started. Then, of course, our lead framework developer, Nicholas Dorier, brings exceptional technical expertise to the project, having already put serious time and effort into Bitcoin protocol on which Stratis is built. Let me go ahead and skim through this. So I believe this is the same guy, or same, this is the creator, I believe, of Blitzcash as well. And I'm not invested in them yet, but I actually looked them up earlier. Sorry, my phone's going off. I looked them up earlier. This is the same guy from Blitzcash, from what it looks like. Let me go ahead and close this tab. So what makes them unique is, as he's saying, is they're coming to C#. C# is more common to developers from what it seems like. I'm no programmer, but it looks like they're going to be basically approaching a different niche. But let's go ahead and take a look at their chart. So I actually already drew some analysis, and I actually already have a position on this. So as you can see here, we have major resistance here at 24, what is that? 241,000, we'll call it. And then we have another resistance here at about 140,000. And then we just broke through one of our major resistances here at 56,000. So where are we heading from here? As you can tell, it looks like we found support here. We formed a nice double bottom at 42,800. This was our previous resistance we couldn't break out of. Failed, came down, failed again, failed, came back down. It looks like we broke out. So it looks like we're actually coming back down to test it to see if it's a valid break. If it is a valid break, I do believe we will come. Sorry, I'm moving the chart a lot. If it is, let me go ahead and move this to the 4 hour, give you guys a better idea of what's going on. So as you can tell here, we came up, failed to break, came down, came up again, failed, held, came up, failed. Here we formed a higher low from here, and then we broke out. Now I'm looking for a retest of structure being broken to see if it is or isn't support. I believe it is going to be our support, and we are going to hold. Hopefully this has a run like Cardano. That's ridiculous, 160%, nice. I expected it to move, just not that fast, but it is the cryptocurrency world, so hey. But I am expecting Stratis to make a jump here to the 90,000 area, and after that, I do believe we will come back down to find support and can continue up to the 140,000. So this is what I'm expecting, is possibly a move up, bounce, and then another move, or it could just be one of those Cardonos and just straight to the moon. Go ahead and reset. Oops. Oops, sorry. Looks like we're currently coming down for a retracement. That's okay with me. That's what I want. I need to find out if this is support. I believe it is going to be. But after this, guys, I believe we will bounce off here, find support, continue towards the upside, towards the 90,000 area. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below or private message me. And that's pretty much it, guys. Take it easy. Peace.